Hi, this is Arnav from the Towers team. Over the last couple of weeks, we've been taking a look at the way home insurance marketers sell their product online. And we've noticed that across lead generation experiences, across companies, there is a key disparity that a lot of home insurance marketers aren't seeing. And that's a disparity between the product that they're selling and the way that they're selling it. On the one hand, home insurance marketers are selling a financial instrument that allows people to protect the most valuable asset in their financial portfolios. Homes are often sources of financial stability for a lot of people. They are aspirational goals which people have worked towards for their whole lives. They're status symbols. And perhaps most importantly, they're a place where people generate irreplaceable memories with their loved ones. Now, on the other hand, home insurance marketers are using super impersonal, imperfect, or super expensive ways of selling this product to their end customer. So if you look at the average home insurance landing page today, it's super verbose, super unengaging. It essentially functions like a glorified brochure. It uses these extremely long, extremely boring lead capture forms that are a very impersonal way of asking someone to confront the destruction of their most prized asset, even if it hasn't happened yet. And the end result is an extremely poor conversion rate from the marketer's perspective, and perhaps worse, a really poor user experience for the end prospect. Now, a lot of the bigger insurance companies get around this issue by providing phone-based lead capture. Phone-based lead capture puts people in touch with an actual human being where they can have a personal discussion with them about their options. It's a lot more intimate as a lead generation experience, and it really fills that personality gap that forms and landing pages don't have. Now, this is a great option, again, if you're a bigger player in the space, but most insurance agencies can't afford the round-the-clock call centers that you need to provide low wait time call support for something like home insurance lead generation. So it's not really a viable option for most people. And we have a proposed solution for this. It's a chatbot. Chatbots are an ideal middle ground between the cheap but impersonal, low converting landing page and form approach, because they're completely automated, and the super engaging, high converting human phone call based approach, because they use the exact same conversational approach to lead capture. Rather than filling out a form, you're having a chat with a virtual agent, even if that virtual agent isn't real. This approach, in our experience, results in a much higher conversion rate for marketers, usually around the magnitude of 50% higher. So if you were getting 100 leads before, you're now getting 150 leads on the exact same ad spend, on the exact same effort and time that you put into your marketing campaigns. And these results are sort of the reason you're seeing adoption of chatbots throughout the insurance space. If you look at big companies like Lemonade, they are using chatbots in their quotation and their lead generation processes because of this engagement factor that I'm talking about. Now, if you want to implement this sort of lead generation approach in your marketing campaigns for your insurance agency, check out the full guide that we created at the end of this video. We'll leave it as a link in the CTA. In that guide, you'll learn exactly how you can build one of these chatbots for your marketing campaign and boost your conversion rate by the numbers I was talking about before. Again, check the link at the end of this video. There'll be a CTA that says click here for the full guide. Click on that and you'll be dropped into the guide where you can see a video like this, slightly on the longer side, explaining how you can make a chatbot like this one. Thank you.